Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me? Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Do you know where my glasses are? Do you know where my glasses are? Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later? Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? Should I wait? Should I wait? Is anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Are you sick? Are you sick? She is very annoying. She is very annoying. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. I get off work at 6. I get off work at 6. I have a headache. I have a headache. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything.